Hey everyone, if you're tired of creating boring presentations that put your audience to sleep, this video is for you. In this video, we're reviewing Gamma AI, an AI presentation tool that lets you create stunning presentations, documents, and websites without any design or coding skills. Gamma AI is like having a personal design partner powered by AI. It helps you create eye-catching designs and layouts, rewrite or auto-complete your content, and even visualize data with charts and diagrams. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's explore how Gamma AI can revolutionize the way you present your ideas. Now, I've reviewed my fair share of AI tools, but Gamma is something special. It's not just another AI writing tool or image generator, it's a complete content creation ecosystem that empowers you to make stunning presentations, documents, and even websites. All powered by cutting-edge AI. Think of it as the love child of Notion and Canva, but on steroids. Gamma takes the best aspects of visual design and collaborative workspaces and injects them with a heavy dose of AI magic. The result? Effortless content creation that's both visually captivating and highly engaging. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly does Gamma AI do? At its core, Gamma is designed to streamline your entire content creation workflow. It takes the pain out of designing slides, formatting documents, and building websites. Here's a rundown of its core functionalities. AI-powered content generation. Say goodbye to writer's block. Gamma's AI can generate text, images, and even entire presentations based on your prompts. It's like having a creative assistant at your beck and call. Effortless design and layout. No more fiddling with pixels or wrestling with design software. Gamma automatically applies expert-level designs and layouts, making your content look polished and professional, even if you have zero design skills. Seamless content transformation. Got an existing document or presentation that needs a makeover? Simply import it into Gamma, and it will instantly transform it into a dynamic and engaging experience. Interactive elements and rich media. Ditch the static slides and boring documents. Gamma lets you embed interactive galleries, videos, data visualizations, and even entire websites into your content, making it truly immersive and captivating. Easy sharing and collaboration. Share your creations with the world effortlessly. Gamma is mobile-friendly, offers built-in analytics, and allows real-time collaboration, making it perfect for teams and individuals alike. But the real magic of Gamma lies in its seamless integration of AI throughout the entire process, from generating initial content to suggesting design tweaks and even helping you rewrite or autocomplete sections. The AI is there every step of the way. Now, let's talk about who Gamma AI is for. I believe it's a game changer for anyone who creates content, whether you're a student. Imagine crafting visually stunning presentations that blow your professors away without pulling all-nighters. An educator. Create engaging lesson materials, interactive quizzes, and dynamic presentations that keep your students captivated. As a marketer, develop compelling marketing collateral, pitch decks, and interactive websites that stand out from the crowd. As a business professional, create professional reports, presentations, and documents that impress clients and colleagues alike. As a content creator, produce visually rich and engaging content for your blog, website, or social media channels. Essentially, if you work with words, images, or ideas, Gamma AI can help you bring them to life in a way that's both efficient and stunning. Now let's address the pricing. Gamma offers a free plan with limited features, which is great for trying out the platform. For more advanced features and usage, they have paid plans starting at $10 per month. Is Gamma AI worth the investment? I believe it is, especially if you're someone who values their time and wants to create high-quality content without the hassle. The time and effort you save with Gamma's AI-powered tools and intuitive interface can easily justify the cost. But like any tool, Gamma has its limitations. The AI isn't perfect. While Gamma's AI is incredibly powerful, it's still under development. You might encounter occasional errors or inconsistencies, especially when working with complex prompts or niche topics. It requires an internet connection. Gamma is a cloud-based platform, so you'll need an active internet connection to use it. It's not a replacement for human creativity. Gamma is a fantastic tool for boosting your productivity and enhancing your content, but it's not a substitute for your own creativity and critical thinking. Overall, Gamma AI is a powerful and innovative platform that's changing the way we create content. It's intuitive, efficient, and packed with features that can help you take your content to the next level. If you're looking for a tool to help you create stunning presentations, documents, and websites, Without the headaches of traditional design software, I highly recommend giving Gamma AI a try. I have to say, the low price isn't bad at all. As always, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Have you tried Gamma AI? What are your impressions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.